What's going on, everyone? Today's the 27th of February 2023. We're going to talk about some price levels that we need to pay attention to in Bitcoin Cash, namely this particular area right here. I think you all can tell that the trend line into the market in Bitcoin Cash is still intact. So even though we've seen the weakness from our price prediction come down to these particular levels, this is the price that we really need to see the market hold for Bitcoin Cash, this trend line. Okay, so you guys can even see it right here on the 25th of February that the market came through and popped off of that ascending line, which lets us know that we live on to see another day for Bitcoin Cash to trend higher. So if you guys saw my prior video, which was produced on the 22nd of February, go back and see that particular video to get ideas to where our price targets were at. I think one of them was around 130, and you guys can see that it was tagged right there on the 25th of February. So that's around 7% right there. Okay, so we get that first target cleared into the market in Bitcoin Cash. We haven't seen the market come all the way down to $125 just yet though. Let's take a look at this on the weekly chart real quick to see if that's still the case. Okay, because last week we have definitely seen the influx of sellers entering the market. Look at the volume that came in on top of the amount, on top of where price closed last week. Okay, so this is definitely letting us know that sellers enter the market in Bitcoin Cash. Now we shouldn't be surprised, because back here on the week of July 25th, 2022, we saw the same type of idea and price getting rejected at $145, $148. That is why the market in Bitcoin Cash went down last week. Okay, so look at this on the 2-weekly chart. Now I still suspect that people in the market in Bitcoin Cash still think that price is relatively cheap and they're trying to buy it on the low because they're looking for the market to trend higher in the long term. Okay, so I'm done. I'm not going to come through and change my price prediction just yet, especially what happened right here on this 5-day price bar. Take a look at it. Yeah, that's weakness right there. Now, in the next 2 days and 13 hours, if Bitcoin Cash actually closes higher than its previous 5 days, then the market is bullish. And I will have to come back in and revamp and change this price prediction. But until then, we have 2 days and 13 hours before this 5-day price bar concludes. We need to look forward to price continue to go lower. Now, looking at this on a 5-day time frame, we may actually be leaving some money on the table considering how weak that 5-day price bar is. Market may come all the way down to $120. Looking at all that weakness on the 5-day though. But nevertheless, we're going to continue to place some weakness into the market in Bitcoin Cash. I'm not going to change the price prediction. I just wanted you all to come in and look at some price levels that the buyers needs to come in and hold, and namely it's right there around $130 was the first area. So let me show it to you again and I'll let you go. So the next level that buyers needs to confirm is going to be around $135. Okay, so I'll say 132 and then $135 are levels that buyers needs to hold. Now I'm playing the weakness though. So from my side of the camp, I'm looking for price to kind of dwindle and drift and go lower. I'm actually not looking for the market to hold $132 to $135. But that's what we need to pay attention to. So go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Where do you think the buyers needs to hold price? Do you even think that they're going to be able to hold price into the market for Bitcoin Cash? But nevertheless, let's see what happens. Give me your thoughts. Hit the like button to the video. Also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.